Hi, I'm Travis Green. We're at Dish Restaurant in Lincoln, Nebraska. Today we're going to be using some Smart Chicken to make chicken masala. This is a great product that Smart Chicken has in your grocery case. It's a boneless thigh, so they've gone ahead and taken the bone right out. What we're going to do is we're going to start by getting our pan nice and hot. We've got it over sort of a medium-high heat, and we're going to start skin side down in the pan, browning this chicken off. So a little bit of oil. Season the chicken with salt. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken into the skillet, skin side down. We're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on the skin side. Try not to crowd your pan too much. Keep a little bit of space between the chicken. That's perfect. We need to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until you get a nice golden brown on the chicken. You can turn it over, and then we're going to take it out of the pan and use our pit pan to start making the sauce. Okay, so we've got a nice golden brown on our chicken. We're going to take that out of the pan and just put it on a plate and let it rest. And we'll start developing our sauce. You can go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And 2 onions that have been sliced. Now we're going to caramelize these onions till they're nice and brown. So you want to add just a little bit of salt and let this cook over a medium to low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Just continue to work the onions, moving them around a little bit until we draw out a nice golden color. They should be reduced. Okay, now as your onions are caramelizing, we'll go ahead and add some of our spices. We've got whole cardamom, black pepper, some whole cloves. And again, we'll just caramelize these onions until they're nice and brown. Okay, let's check our onions. Now that we've got a nice golden brown on them, you can go ahead and add a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of ginger, and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add our diced tomatoes. We'll deglaze with about a half cup of white wine. Turn our heat back up to about medium-high and let this reduce for about a minute. And we're going to go ahead and add 1 pint of heavy cream. And then finally about 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. Okay, let's go ahead and let this sauce cook for about 5 minutes, just until it starts to reduce a little bit. And then we're going to add our chicken back. Just nestle it down into the sauce. And we're just going to let this sauce reduce, partially covered, for about 45 minutes. Okay, so this chicken has been simmering on the stovetop for about 45 minutes now. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's nice and thick. Our chicken is done. We're going to go ahead and plate this up. I really love how the Smart Chicken picks up all the flavor in this dish. And using the leg and thigh, or the thigh meat, is just a wonderful, dark, rich meat, very tender after it's been braised. Here's our final plate. We've got chicken masala using Smart Chicken boneless thighs. Really a wonderful ingredient. That Smart Chicken thigh meat is very tender and juicy, takes on a lot of the flavor. So bon appetit, and thanks for watching.